Show Moe, what have I got? Wouldn't you like to know? Show Moe, ready or not? What have I got to show Moe?
You okay, Moe?
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Ah!
Moe,
What?
what's up?
Well, you know when we sing songs together,
Yeah.
and you always play your ukulele.
Yeah.
Well, Mo wishes that Mo had an instrument to play.
Well, Moe, guess what?
What?
I have something right here that's going to solve that problem for you.
Show Mo!
Here we go. Ta-da!
This is a great disappointment, Michael. Mo was expecting a musical instrument, and what we've got here, if Mo's not mistaken, is a toilet roll.
Yeah, no, it is a toilet roll.
Yuck.
But we're going to turn it into a musical instrument.
Oh.
Yeah, check
show
this
Mo.
out. So what I'm going to do, take my toilet roll,
Yeah.
pop a piece of fabric on top like this,
Okay.
get a rubber band,
Yep.
twist it round, like that,
Nice and tight.
nice and tight. Pop this over, then I'm going to take these stones, little pebbles I got from the garden,
Ooh.
I'm going to just put them in here. How many do you think I should put in, Mo?
24.
24, all right. There you go, that's 24.
Is it?
And then I take another piece of fabric, pop it on the top,
Yeah.
twist around another rubber band.
Nice and tight again.
Yep, and here we go. Listen to this.
It's a shaker!
It is, it's a shaker. Would you like to shake a shaker with me?
Mo would love to.
Well, here we go. That sounds great, Mo.
Mo's a musician!
Yep, you're in the band.
Oh, yeah. Let's do a song.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh, can you shake a shaker? Come and shake a shaker with me. Shake a shaker, come and shake a shaker with me. Shake it high, shake it low, honey, shake it everywhere you go. Honey, shake a shaker, come and shake a shaker with me. We'll shake it to the left, to the right, to the floor, to the sky, out in front and behind. Shake, shake, shake in time. To the left, to the right, to the floor, to the sky, out in front and behind. Shake, shake, shake in time. Oh, shake a shaker, come and shake a shaker with me. Shake a shaker, come and shake a shaker with me.